Welcome back to our guide on using the akYtec Cloud. In this video, we will talk about the user programs, a powerful tool to automate your tasks and make your workflow seamless. Let's get started. So first things first, user programs are still in beta, but don't let that stop you from unlocking some serious automation potential. These programs let you control objects using the Object Pascal programming language. Before we begin, make sure that all device parameters which will be used in program have manageable parameter box checked. Alright, let's walk through how to actually use this. Go to the administration section, open the Programs tab, and you'll see a list of your user programs. Each program shows its name, device, category, and execution status. If the status is stopped, good news, your program is ready to launch. But if it won't run, you might have a compilation error. To view or edit a program, just click on its name. Now let's create a new program together. Click Add Program. You'll see a window where you enter the program name and category. Hit Continue, and now you're in the program editor. This is where the magic happens. To make your program work, you need variables. akYtec Cloud supports input variables, which read device parameters value, output variables, which writes values to device parameters, global variables, which are set once during initialization, and constants. Click Add to set these up. Give your variable a name, pick a parameter which you want to connect with this variable, and add a description if you need to. If you're adding a global variable or a constant, don't forget to select the format. Assigning value to a constant is done in the Add Variable window, and global variable's value is assigned inside the program itself. Here we will not go into depths of a Pascal programming language capabilities. You can find more detailed information in our user guide, or simply explore additional resources online. In this example, we will create a simple program that will use all four types of variables. Let's say the output variable is equal to the input variable multiplied by a constant and decreased by the global variable. Once everything's set, click on Save button and compile the program. If it works, awesome. If there's an error, akYtec Cloud will let you know what went wrong in the compilation result window. To run the program, head back to the Program tab and click Start. Now, if you want to check out the program status change log, you can see who started or stopped the program and when. And if you need to track parameter changes, the Parameter Logging tab has your back. You'll see the date, time, the variable name, the parameter, the device, and the value being written. Plus, you can track the status, whether it's in progress, completed, or there's an error. That's it for this episode. User programs in akYtec Cloud are a game changer for automation, and now you know how to set them up like a pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next one in the series. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.